KK Magic Time! Hi, I'm Katarina.
I'm Cassandra.
And today we are making Johnnycakes.
Also called ash cakes. Also known as mush bread. Also known as pone. Also known as Johnnycakes or Johnnykin.
Cool! There are so many names, and the pioneers made them all the time. The recipe is very simple. You need 1 cup of corn flour, 1½ cups of boiling hot water,
And then you mix it all up. Let's mix. Yeah, go.
and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt.
Let me add it. 1, 2.
And now you're gonna wait for 10 minutes.
After I stir it. After 10 minutes, the batter should have thickened.
If you had extra supplies, you could add a tablespoon of sugar, an egg, or to substitute some milk for water. I'm going to add some buttermilk right now.
Add it.
Let's add a little easy bit. Let's mix that up and see what we got, and then we can always add more, but we can't take away.
Yeah. This is the perfect consistency.
For us, some people like a thicker batter, some people like a thinner batter.
I want to eat it.
Not right now, we have to fry it first.
Yeah.
We have a cast iron pan with baking grease in it, but you can use any kind of oil. Now it's time to cook. After 2 to 3 minutes, flip the Johnnycakes. When they're brown on both sides, they're ready to eat. Fresh from the pan.
I want to eat them now with hand-turned butter.
That sounds great, but you can also eat it with molasses, maple syrup, or even honey.
I'm going to try this part.
Okay. Can I try? No, I can serve myself. Thank you. That was delicious. Thank you for watching KK Magic Time. Please subscribe. Please press that like button, and I'll see you next time.